Hey guys, hi YouTube, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I've come back with another video, guys. So today I'll be updating you on my locks. Actually my locks, they turn 2 years and 5 months. So guys, if interested, let's go ahead and get started. So guys, you may ask what I've been doing, why I did not update you on my locks, guys. So the only thing what I've been doing, guys, I left my locks to do its own thing. So yeah, and I always do hot oil treatment. If you never watched the video, I'll leave the link up here. You can watch it. And also guys, I do use only oils when I'm moisturizing my locks. So I don't put gel because when I'm retightening my locks, I do use a crochet. So yeah, that's what I've been doing, and I always cover my locks when I go to sleep. And this is my cup before I go to bed. So guys, I keep moisturizing my locks, and I've been trying different oils like cloves oil. So guys, I do use cloves oil to stimulate growth, and if you never watched that video, I'll leave it here. You can watch it how you can do it from home. So guys, let me just show you how long are my locks. Actually, I learned not to compare my hair with someone's hair because we do have different texture, and some people's locks, they grow faster than others. So this is my growth. Actually, I'll insert in some few pictures from day 1 to date. So let me just do a 360 for you guys and show you how long am my. My front view, as you can see. Then this is my side view, and this is my back view. This is my another side view, and this is my front view. So that's how my locks, they look like. So let me just stand again at 360 for you guys. And as you can see, my hair is too dark. Actually, I did a jet black dye on my locks. So yeah, that's how my hair looks like. Maybe some people who have already reached 2.5 years, they have their long hair up to here. That's why I say I don't compare my hair with someone else's hair. So yeah, it's growing a little bit slowly, but I can say I can now hold a ponytail. Let me just show you guys. So yeah, that's how it looks like into ponytail. Side view, back view, side view, and front view, guys. So yeah, now this is how I hold my locks on daily basis. I can't wait my hair to get longer, then I can style them, but this is now my style on daily basis. Slowly I'm getting there, guys. So yeah, So guys, if you're new to my channel, please welcome. Don't hesitate to click that red button by subscribing to my channel, and if you've been here for a while, thank you so much for the love and support. See you in my next video.